Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. Excuse the hair. We were going for Farrah Fawcett. Didn't work, okay? I need a new GHD. We have the fresh ombre and it's feeling good and it goes so well with my new Ana Luisa jewelry. So I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is in fact Ana Luisa. I am so proud because truthfully, with some of these brands, a few of them that we all work with, Ana Luisa, I was one of the original, okay? I was one of the original bloggers that got on the Ana Luisa train. I got items, I think I got this horn first. I'm not quite sure. This is their super famous horn necklace. I will link it below. But I want to let you guys know about their biggest sale ever. I will leave all the links below, but it is a huge sale. It is 20% off site-wide. Every single piece of jewelry, their collaborations with bloggers and items like these. So in love with these stackable huggies, but they also have, if you don't like that, you have the back as well. They have all sorts of different types of hoops like that. They do hoops so well. My gold hoops that I rock all the time, the rope ones and the plain oval shaped ones, these new round thicker hoops are just so comfortable. They're so a go-to kind of statement, but really comfortable. There's nothing worse than jewelry that you just have had on half the day and you're just like, oh, I gotta take these earrings off. So I will link to these below, but they are so beautiful. And the best thing about Ana Luisa is that the company is carbon neutral. We need to look to our future, we need to look to our kids' future, and it's a positive thing that these brands start to realize the impact that they have on our earth. So thank you so much to Ana Luisa for partnering with me in this video. They know how much I love them. We have a really great rapport and they're just an awesome company to work with. Okay, let's go ahead and show you this new in handbag. Oh my gosh, when my client service SA, so that's my SA through the client services, not in boutique, she's in the office. Her name is Emma. Hi Emma. And she reached out to me and was like, I have one of these, Jerusha. Do you want me to send it to you? I was like, hell yes, girl, hell yeah. Let's go ahead and unbox together. Fresh in, straight from the Maison. Here we go. Ta-da! Ooh, she wrapped it so pretty. We'll get it out. For a second there I thought there was another dust bag down the bottom. So here is our dust bag. Very cute. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Stop. The brand new Speedy 20 from Louis Vuitton in monogram canvas. Look at this beauty. Oh wow, guys. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. This is really gorgeous and it's weighty. I know there's straps inside, but it's weighty. So straight up, I'm in love because I can see the shiny gold hardware, which you can see on the top. If I was to grab my Speedy B25 behind me, you would know that it's dull hardware. God knows why it didn't match. We always would say that. The game changer with this little guy is they've brought the zipper all the way down. So a lot of things that, you know, we say here on YouTube or whatever is with the Speedy B, that the access, you know, is short and you're trying to get inside. So they brought it all the way down the sides, which is a really nice little feature. Ooh, it's a good size. It's a really good size. So I have the Nano. We won't talk about that right now. This is a proper handbag compared to the Nano. I mean, the Nano it's really one of those super micro bags. You can fit enough in it for a quick kind of outing, but this is a great size bag. Woo! So I chose the pink and orange strap. Who am I? Look at this. I wanted to go a bit fun. They have two color options. This is the pink and I would say orange and kind of light pink, like ballerina pink. So you've got the orange contrast like that and the Louis Vuitton that goes across, and then you flip it around and you just have the fleur-de-lis, which is really nice, but so gorgeous. It is one length, it's not adjustable. You have the two clasps on the end with vachetta leather, beautiful and shiny. So cute though, really, really nice. And it's just, sometimes I love the non-fuss of buckles or sizing. Yeah, I'm a tallie and curvy, so it will definitely hit high on me. Listen, for my everyday use, it doesn't really affect me. I don't particularly mind. So the interior is red. So you have one slip pocket, which you can see on the back here. The interior is red like damier bin. There is the pocket. It will have your textile card in it. Yes, you can see there. I would definitely need to get a smorgasbord bag organizer for it. And this is the lock and key. So we have, ooh, a shiny, shiny, shiny lock and key. I suppose you could keep it on the side if you do that with your speedies, or even on the buckle. That could be cute. I tend to just pack mine away. Oh, it's a cute size. It is a good size. I keep saying that. Let me compare it to the 25. Okay, I got my Speedy B to compare for you guys, but I also wanted to just go over the feet, like the names and everything. So I chose it in the fuchsia. That's the name of it because obviously the strap is fuchsia and pink. It is also available in the black, but the black also has a little bit of pink. I'll throw in a picture here. The bottom of the Louis Vuitton is in pink. I think that's quite nice. Both interiors are red, and in Australia this bag retails for $2,750, and yeah, obviously that's the price of a Speedy 25, but because it's more like that novelty bag, I think you're getting such a better bag for that price than the Nano Speedy if you can find it. Do you know what I mean? I feel like it's a really usable bag. Obviously for some girls and guys out there, the Nano Speedy is perfect for them. I just feel like this is gonna, you get away with an everyday bag with this 100%. This is gonna be embarrassing because look at the color of my Speedy 25. So there you can see the difference, and Speedies, honestly, they are definitely, it's almost like they play a bit of a trick on you, because when you start to line them up size wise, like if I had my 30, I just sold it, hi Sarah, and stood it next to it, it would be ginormous. And that's the way it is. You think, oh, this is so small and compact when you get it. Then you see a 20, then you see the Nano, and you're just kind of like, this is crazy. And as bag trends go in and out, obviously the smaller and then back to big, you know, hobo bags. But I just wanted to show you them next to each other. Yes, we have bright white raw vachette. Not currently my favorite situation. I really am falling in love with the it's not pre-patinaed. I was asking actually Ash when I was in the Bondi Junction in that vlog, I'll link it below, and he was like, it's just it's like a heat treat, if that makes sense. It just turns the color. This is my game on. This is what we call like pre-patina, if that makes sense. So you can just see it's like slightly darker than a deep patina, but much darker than raw white vachette, if that makes sense. I adore this kind of pre-patina. That's why I wanted to look at the VUITTON Chapeau Supple, because of that exact pre-patina. If you can get your hands on this, I definitely know that it's selling out fast like hotcakes, but this is a great size. Trust me, and having the Nano, side note, having the Nano and having the 25, I've owned this 30, I can tell you right now, total usable size. So that is it guys. I thank you so much. Do check it out, see if you can find it, call your SA, ask around. I do know they're super hot right now. Again, thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring this video. I will always have a place in my heart for this company. I really will. You can look back to way back centuries ago when Jerusha started YouTube. I was on the bandwagon with this company. I hope you enjoyed that, guys. If you did, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up is so important on YouTube now. It just shows YouTube that we're in good standing, you like our content. You don't have to comment, but if you just smash the thumbs up button, I totally understand. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, guys, I would super appreciate that as well. There is a button below. I hope everybody is staying safe and staying well out there. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.